My favorite part of Green Bronx Machine is when we cook.
I want to learn how to cook. I feel happy about cooking. And I never cooked before. And like make new foods that some people haven't tasted before and present it to the world. I love Green Bronx Machine because that's where you can make friends.
I'm mostly friends with everyone in the program, and I'd be nice to them, so they'd be nice to me.
I love Green Bronx Machine because we get to cook and we get to do a lot of things.
We get to have fun. Lots of people kept talking about it, and also because it was very cool. I love Green Bronx Machine because I like trying new things. My favorite thing I learned is when we grow our plants and when we make our new foods that we get to try them. Even if we don't like them, we still try them, but that's fine with me. I didn't know that you could grow stuff inside and then you could grow stuff without soil.
My favorite thing that I learned is how to plant. My favorite part we're working with plants because we get to help them grow. We don't really see the plant grow, but I think Mr. Rich has seen a plant grow. The happiest is when I come here because it helped me learn a lot from Green Bronx Machine and also helped me eat better. Sometimes I have a hard day in school, and when I get here I have more fun. And I like the Green Bronx Machine.
We all work together and that we're like a family.
And that when you're with Mr. Rich and Mrs. Rich, they take care of you like you're their own children.
They're great teachers.
Mrs. Rich, Mr. Jesse, and Mr. Rich are, have to say, the best teachers in the world. And that's why I love the Green Bronx Machine.